Look for this switch on the side of your seat. Simply slide it forward or backward and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. The lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the driver. Use this switch to adjust the lumbar support in and out, and if so equipped, up and down. If so equipped, the passenger seat also has a lumbar adjustment switch. To recline the rear seat, pull up on this lever and lean back. To move it forward again, pull the lever up and lean forward. Release the lever to lock the seat in its position. To slide the rear seat forward or backward, pull this bar up and hold while you slide the seat to the desired position. Release the bar to lock the seat in position. There are multiple ways to fold the second row seat flat for maximum cargo hauling. To fold the seats, lift up on the lever located on the outboard side of the seat cushion and fold the seat. If you are in the back of the vehicle with the lift gate raised, pull the lever located on the left or right side of the luggage room and the corresponding seat back will fold. It may be necessary to remove the rear seat headrests or head restraints before folding the rear seats. To return the second row seats to an upright position, push up on the seat back until it latches in place. If you have removed or adjusted the headrests or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.